Welcome to the comprehensive course on Good Industrial Practices, or GIPs, designed specifically for pharmaceutical professionals. In this course, we'll explore the core principles and practices that ensure the highest standards of quality, safety, and compliance in pharmaceutical operations. Good manufacturing practices, or GMP, form the foundation of pharmaceutical manufacturing. GMP is a system that ensures products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's not just about following rules, it's about safeguarding public health. GMP regulations are enforced by agencies like the FDA, EMA, and WHO. These guidelines cover everything from production and packaging to personnel training and facility cleanliness. Key principles of GMP include strict hygiene, thorough documentation, regular validation of processes, and continuous staff training. By adhering to GMP, we ensure that every product is safe, effective, and of the highest quality, ready to meet the needs of patients worldwide. Next, we delve into good distribution practices, or GDP. GDP is essential for maintaining the quality and integrity of pharmaceutical products as they move through the supply chain, from manufacturing to the end user. GDP regulations ensure that pharmaceutical products are stored, transported, and handled properly to prevent damage, contamination, or counterfeiting. This involves maintaining precise temperature controls, ensuring secure packaging, and adhering to proper documentation practices. Effective GDP practices are critical in ensuring that patients receive their medications in perfect condition, regardless of where they are in the world. The good laboratory practices, or GLP, are crucial for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of data in the pharmaceutical industry. GLP covers all aspects of laboratory work, from the planning of studies to the reporting of results. GLP ensures that all laboratory activities are carried out under strict guidelines, which include well-documented procedures, rigorous training for staff, and the proper maintenance of equipment. The goal is to generate reliable data that supports the safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. By adhering to GLP, laboratories play a vital role in the development and approval of safe and effective medicines, contributing to the overall quality of pharmaceutical operations. Chapter 4. Implementing Quality Management Systems, or QMS, in pharmaceutical operations. Quality management systems are the backbone of any pharmaceutical operation. A QMS ensures that all processes, from manufacturing to distribution, are performed consistently and in compliance with regulatory requirements. At the heart of a QMS are standard operating procedures, or SOPs, which provide clear instructions on how to perform tasks and monitor quality. These SOPs are supported by quality risk management and continuous improvement practices, ensuring that operations remain compliant and efficient. A well-implemented QMS not only helps in meeting regulatory standards, but also drives continuous improvement, leading to better products and processes. Chapter 5. Auditing and continuous improvement in good industrial practices. Auditing is a critical component of good industrial practices. It involves a systematic review of operations to ensure compliance with GMP, GDP, and GLP standards. There are two main types of audits, internal and external. Internal audits are conducted by the organization itself to identify areas for improvement, while external audits are performed by regulatory bodies or third parties. Both types of audits play a crucial role in maintaining compliance and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Through regular audits, organizations can identify non-compliance issues, implement corrective and preventive actions, or CAPA, and refine processes to enhance overall performance. Chapter 6. Risk Management and Mitigation Strategies. Risk management is essential in pharmaceutical operations. It involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that could impact product quality, safety, or regulatory compliance. Tools like failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA, and hazard analysis and critical control points, or HACP, help in systematically evaluating risks and implementing control measures to prevent issues before they occur. Developing a robust risk management plan is crucial for minimizing potential disruptions and ensuring the continuity of operations. Effective risk management not only protects the organization, but also safeguards the patients who rely on its products. By staying proactive in risk mitigation, pharmaceutical companies can maintain trust and confidence in their operations. In conclusion, good industrial practices are the cornerstone of quality and safety in the pharmaceutical industry. By mastering GMP, GDP, GLP, QMS, auditing, and risk management, you're not only ensuring compliance, but also contributing to the global mission of delivering safe, effective, and high-quality medicines to those in need. Thank you for joining us in this journey of excellence. Let's continue to uphold the highest standards in every aspect of our work.